How to add a mega menu on your WordPress site navigation. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I'll show you guys how you can add a mega menu. Now, what is the purpose of a mega menu and how can you customize it? Well, as you guys can see over here, this is my WordPress site and this is my standard menu. Now, if you go ahead and go into your actual appearance section on the left panel over here it is. So you're going to go into appearance, and if you go into appearance and go into menus, you will see your standard menu. You can customize this menu and basically create your own menu with this. You can really customize this however you want. Now, one thing to note is that mega menus can be a bit different because, as you guys can see, the default version of menus that are created using this menu creator are pretty basic. There aren't a lot of customizations you can do. You can see that this is set up as our primary menu. It automatically adds our basic pages. You guys can see I add all of my posts, so I'll add all of the posts over here. I can remove that, and if I want to create sub pages, I can just move them towards the right. So let's say I want to add all of these to my menu like this, and I can go on ahead, remove certain elements if I want to do so. So if I want to remove that, I can click on remove element, and to make one item a sub menu, I can go on ahead and add a menu page. So I can go ahead and go into my pages section and I'll go into view all. If I have a blocks page, I can make both of these, sub pages. So I'll make both of these sub items of the same blog page. And you can, create a bunch of different variations on this, but this still does not have the level of customization, especially in terms of design. So if you're looking for design-based customization alongside other hierarchies that you can build, you can do that with a plugin on WordPress. And fret not, this is a really simple plugin and can easily be integrated in a couple of seconds. So let's do that. Now to do this, simply go into your dashboard and on the left scroll down, click on plugins and then click on add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, you are going to search for mega menu. Now, once you search for mega menu, there are going to be multiple different tools available to build mega menus. The one I recommend is Mega Menu by Max. So you're going to click on install now. And once you click on install now on this, you're going to click on activate. Now, once you click on activate and you have activated this plugin, this can take a little bit of time. Now, we will see our plugin is now activated. Now I can click on view details to view more info about my menu. You will see this has multiple different options where you can convert your menu into a widget menu, you can restyle it using their editor, and much, much more. It builds upon your pre-existing menu. So now if I go into appearance again, and once I go into appearance, I can scroll down and then go ahead and go into menus. And under my menus location, you will see now I even have WordPress endpoints and I have max menu settings. So in my max menu settings, I can open this up and I can click on enable. Then I can add my hover intents. I can also add different effects if I wanted to fade up or slide up or fast, medium, or slow. I want this to be medium. I can also add the type of effect that I want and the theme that I want. Now I can click on save over here, and once I click on save, these customizations will be made. However, these are not the only customizations that you can make with this tool. And you will see sometimes you have to add your license keys on this, but you will see in your menu screen in full site editing themes, this will support multiple locations and you're able to actually edit your menu directly. And you will see that it also has mobile support. So when you create menu changes and the mobile version is different, it is going to be responsive. It's going to build a responsive mobile menu as well. You can also see some of the other features that are included in this particular plugin. Now for further customization, we can click on visit site and we can click on customize over here to start doing our customization. Now, Currently, we're using the Astra theme, and this is why some of the appearance is inspired mostly by the Astra theme. We can go into our header builder and we can select our header type, our primary menu, the width of our menu. We can configure our menu from here, and we can select our primary, secondary, off canvas, logged in menu, footer menu, and much, much more. Now, you also have some more interesting menu editing options. Depending on the theme that you're using, you can actually do more customizations, but certain themes might not be compatible. So if you're using a really peculiar theme, then it might not apply. And the Astra theme, I do think sometimes it overrides a lot of your changes. So if I go into appearance and I alter my theme, you're actually going to see more of an effect of my site. So if I go with the 2021 or 2024 theme over here, and I activate this theme, and then I go into menus over here. And once I go into menus, you will see this is my max menu. There are currently no menu locations. Menu locations to create a new menu. So I'm going to click on over here to add a menu location. And to do that, we can go ahead and click on visit site. Once we click on visit site, you will see on the top we have this little menu, and I can click on edit site over here. And if it's showing up a no menu location, even though a site menu is present, that is just going to be resolved if you edit your site and just edit the menu a little. You can easily do that by going back and going into your navigation, and then in your navigation, this is just going to display your navigation menu. Now from here, you can click on add and you can type in menu and you can search for your mega menu or for a particular block that you are looking for. Now, over here in our standard menu, I want to save this first. And once we have saved our current menu, and you can just do this with multiple different ones as well. You don't necessarily need to do this on the primary one. You can do this on secondary as well as your footer menus because those are also going to be customized. So we are going to first edit our website a little with Elementor, and for that we're just going to go into pages, and then we can click on over here, click on edit with Elementor. And now once we do that, we can proceed with our header options. So you guys can see this is just a draft version. We can go ahead and search for our menu anchor, our menu navigation menu over here. And I can place that wherever I want, like this, and I can click on update over here. Now, keep in mind that your WordPress menu or navigation is different, and you can choose to remove that if you so please to do that. Now, once you have completed that, you can exit ahead and make further customizations. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with customizations on your WordPress site with this Mega Menu plugin. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.